Irish. Everything Irish. Everything Irish. One one. Japan, Irish. Easy. Yeah, so taking this game to the next level today. So over here is 10,000 trappable US dollars. Boom! And they're about to flip it. They're about to flip it. Okay, yeah. You're about to flip it. So they'll flip up to 15 times straight, not continuous. So anytime you go straight, they'll count it. Like we'll count it. So the person that gets 15 buttons straight gets this choppable 10,000 US dollars. Okay, you ready? You ready?
Yes.
Let's go! Whoa! Whoa! Yeah. One. Two.
Oh.
Two for Michaela.
Two for Michaela. Oh. Two for Michaela. Two for Michaela.
Three, two. 4-2. 4-3. 4-4. Hey, Michelle. 5-5. 5-5. 6-5. 7-5.
Oh.
7-6. No, Michelle.
7-7.
No, you can't support it.
7-7.
No, I'll support it. 8-8. 9-8. 9-9. 10. No. 15. You got 15. 10. Go, continue. Under 5. 11. 12. 11. 13. 13. 14. Michelle! What? Michelle! Wow! Oh! Wow!
That was close.
Man, Michelle! Man, Michelle! What's up?
You're about to be
What's
rich.
10,000 choppable US dollars. What will you buy with it? Robux.
Oh my god.
Wow. Well done, Mickey.
Well done, Mickey.
Anyway.
Wow.